Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video I will show you some trendy foot heel repairing products. You want to make your heels soft and smooth, then this video is for you because these products are made up of many natural ingredients which can help you to repair your heels crack. If you are looking for products to help with dry, cracked heels, there are several options available here. There are some common products that can be effective, such as moisturizing creams and lotions, foot balms and salves, exfoliating scrubs, foot socks, moisturizing socks, etc. First of all, I will tell you about moisturizing creams and lotions. Look for creams and lotions specially formulated for dry, cracked heels. These products usually contain moisturizing ingredients such as urea, glycerin, or hyaluronic acids. And then foot balms and salves. Foot balms and salves are often thicker and more concentrated than regular moisturizers. Exfoliating scrubs. Regular exfoliations can help to remove the dead skin cells and promote the smoother skin. Look for foot scrubs with exfoliating particles like pumpkin sugars or salts. Gently massage the scrub onto your heels to peel off the dry skin, then rinse and moisturize the afterward. And then foot socks. Soaking your foot can help soften the skin, make it easier to remove the dead skin cells. You can use a warm water with added ingredients like Epsom salts, vinegar, essential oils. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Then gently scrub with a stone or foot file to remove the dead skin before applying moisturizers. And then moisturizing socks. There are special socks designed to look in moistures and enhance the effectiveness of the foot creams or lotions. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share it with your loved ones. In addition to these products, heel wraps or heel sleeves are very effective for heel cracks repairing. Thanks for watching this video and your love.